Ratchet, Victor is down. What's your status?
I found a way inside the Deplanetizer. Heading to the Starcracker chamber now.
Copy that. Stay sharp.
Don't let him get away! Nice shot, Cora. Keep it up.
I'm coming back around for another pass.
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill. You are a disease.
The law pass! Sound the alarm!
My. If you wanted to come aboard the Deplanetizer, there were much simpler ways of doing it. It's a shame your visit will be a short one.
Mr. Zurkon still keeps ours.
Oh, great. More of them. Uh-oh. Looks like a new kind of warbot.
Keep on fighting!
I doubt that's the last of them.
Attention, Strike Team 7. It appears you were not aware that I, your boss, have a camera on the Deck 3 breaker. Why you others go after Ratchet and Clank boggles the mind. Get out there before I have to eject you into space myself!
He's fighting back! He's got a Tron!
Enemy down.
Oh, man. You're so predictable!
Oh boy, out of ammo. Okay, doors open.
Ratchet, have you located Captain Cork?
Not yet. Hope he's okay.
Just keep looking. He's got to be on the ship somewhere.
Deplanetizer firing coordinates locked. Target, Novalis.
Sector 4. All units, converge and eliminate at all costs!
Here comes some more.
Got him on the ropes now! Shoot him down!
Deplanetizer power levels at 50%.
nothing to it.
You got a lot of bolts, which is nice, but you don't have a warmonger. Come buy one from me.
Is it true Cora Verolux is from Novalis? Oh, this is just too good! Not only do I get a choice piece of planet for new Quartu, but I get to destroy Galactic Ranger's home? Talk about a win-win!
Deplanetizer power levels at 75%.
Ratchet, how are you doing in there?
Lots of resistance, but I'm okay.
So you made it to my office. Good for you. But your little adventure will soon be over. After I've built us a new home world, I'll make another. And another. Can you imagine? Dozens of Blarg-owned planets forged not by nature, but by my company. We'll create an entire empire using your galaxy's wasted planets. I suppose this will leave any of your citizens homeless or, well, dead. But sacrifices must be made.
Man, does Drek ever stop talking?
I'll have it recycled into something useful, like a staple, or one of those white noise machines you fall asleep to.
Deplanetizer power levels at 95%.
Come on, we're almost to the bridge.
Why don't you upgrade your plasma striker? You won't regret it. That's how you make a great weapon even better.
For the first time, Ratchet had more weapons than he knew what to do with.
You got a lot of bolts, which is nice, but you don't have a warmonger. Come buy one.
He's headed for the Starcracker terminal. Stop him at once!
Holy cow, that's a lot of tanks. Blarg reinforcements.
fully powered and ready to fire. Awaiting orders from Chairman Drek.
Ratchet, you have to shut it down.
No, Legendeer and Starcracker Terminal.
The door to the bridge is open.
Okay, now tanks already.
Mr. Zurkon cannot live.
Deplanetizer now online.
Bravo, my boy! Bravo! I deal with my share of morons on a daily basis, but this? This is seriously next level. I never had a proper planet. I spent my formative years underground, where everything was dark and wet and hot.
And I was like, warrior? No, I said I was a worrier. I worry about everything. Oh, hey! Quark? This is awkward.
I want him to live to see his failure. Commence deplanetization!
No!
Well, here's your ID. Welcome aboard. Captain.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Thanks. The Novalians were able to evacuate in time, but billions lost their homes.
You helped Drek destroy a planet because you were jealous of Ratchet? Oh, that's cold, even for me.
Not my coolest moment, okay? I was confused. I thought I was doing the best thing for the galaxy.
Hey, you were doing the best thing for you.
Nobody asked you, solitary Bill.
Then what happened? In the Hollow film, Ratchet ended up drifting in deep space for like weeks until he finally managed to assemble a gravity drive using an old ham radio and a banana.
Never happened. In reality, he just went home.
In the wake of Novalis' destruction and Captain Quark's shocking betrayal, Galactic President Phyronix has issued a galaxy-wide alert to all Solana citizens.
I'm not going back, Clank. This is where I belong. You were right. Fame is overrated. Especially when you're famous for causing a complete disaster.
It was not a complete disaster.
Authorities are calling it a complete and utter disaster, as
The evacuation of Novalis was successful. No one was killed or injured.
But those people lost their homes. And for that, I have to take full responsibility.
Blaming yourself and taking responsibility are two very different things. If you truly want to be accountable, you will endeavor to make things right the next time.
Next time?
Drek has one more target on his list. With Captain Quark now working for the enemy, the Rangers need you more than ever. And I would like to offer my assistance in any way possible. Partner.
Well, partner, how about helping me find my protosuit?
It's good to have you back, Ratchet.
Thanks, Yolaris. What's the latest?
I managed to decrypt Nefarious' files from Drek Industries. Bad news. His next target is Umbris.
The core of Umbris is pure tetragen. Detonating it would be disastrous. According to the Solana celestial calendar, there is a major conjunction of every planet in the system tonight. If Umbris is destroyed, it will take the entire system with it.
Dr. Nefarious has just been using Drek. He wants the system destroyed under the Rangers' watch.
I have a plan to destroy the Deplanetizer for good, but this time we'll need to take a more covert approach. I'm going to need a few things first. Head to the Gadgetron headquarters on Kalibo 3, and I'll send you further instructions.
Maybe we can get one of those holo guises from Gadgetron HQ.